Hello everyone. Welcome. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've been back to YouTube. It's not weird, but it's almost like I'm a little rusted. I'm a little rusted. So we're gonna see how this goes. Is this mic even working? Okay, we can do without it. So I am here, as you can see, if you guys all last remember when you last saw me, I had my natural hair, which pretty much my loose natural hair, and then I was gone for like 5 years. Of course, life happened, and now I did have locks like twice. Then I ended up having like micro locks, which those was beautiful, but um, I had to let those go due to some health reasons. But now we're here, and this is pretty much I've been rocking the shortcut, and I've love it. I love it, love it, love it. But of course, I came to y'all today. I wanted to show you guys how I bleach my hair. When I was in cosmetology school, that was a stress, but it was a wonderful experience. So I ended up cutting my hair back in school, which I thought I could record. But today, I wanted to just show you how I bleach my hair. I'm not perfect, but I've been doing this for years thanks to cosmetology school. So yeah, um, the product that I have today, it is the Moroccan oil, the Blonde Voyage. It pretty much goes up to 9 levels, and what I love about it is that it has the bond care plus the argan oil. It's the argan oil, but I guess like a high quality. And then I also went ahead and got the 30%, 30%, 30 volume. But of course, in school we always say the 9%. So I got these two. This pretty much always kind of give me the desired look that I'm trying to go for. It kind of gets me there. But I think this time around, normally I kind of do this in two sessions, but I'm kind of getting tired of that. I just kind of just want to like knock it out. So of course I did not get the 40, but I I see how a lot of the girls on YouTube they keep it in for 2 hours. So I am going to give it a shot, and I'm going to do it. Please, y'all. I mean, be at your own risk. Um, to each his own. So yeah, let's get into it. Get into it. I got my gloves on. I didn't already put protective cream around my perimeter. I did put some coconut oil on top of my hair. So yeah. I've tried my best to not itch or scratch my scalp, cause boy, this thing ain't no joke. So pretty much the consistency, it's like like icing, like paste. That's pretty much how I have it. So now, of course, you see like a lot of my black. The last I had like a design, but of course it all grew out, and especially like all everywhere it grew out. So yeah, let's get this get it right. I can't. I'm gonna have to use my hands to really make sure that it's going in there. Not like just the brush can't do it, but sometimes you just need it to really penetrate into the follicles. Okay, yeah. So I'm pretty much already out. I'm gonna have to make another batch, but by the time I come back, my whole head should be pretty much filled with the bleach. So okay, everyone. So I am back. So pretty much this is my whole head looking like a helmet right now. Surprisingly, it's not tingling as bad. Maybe it's helped with me not scratching my scalp so much. I could feel it tingling, but it's not as bad. So yeah, we gonna push through for this 2 hours, and I'm hoping that it just come out to the way I want it, and then from there I will apply a toner to kind of get the desired tone that I'm going for. So I'll see you guys back in 2 hours. All right, so I am back from a long 2 hours. Ah, we gonna see. At some point my head was looking a little like, I don't know how you call it. Oh, like an aftershave. When the men they're trying to cut their beard and stuff, but that aftershave how it kind of foams up. That's how my head was looking. And I was like, wow. But it wasn't that bad. It was like towards the end of that I was like, okay, it need to come on because I can't. So here we go. I'm going to show you guys the final look, I guess. Well, not so much final look, but yeah. So yeah, it is pretty much, but then too the lighting is low. But yeah, it is. It's pretty much white. Let me turn to the back. Yeah, and I will talk in my next video as to why I had to cut my hair, and of course why it's blonde. I mean, I like blonde anyway, but pretty much I'll kind of in my next video I will kind of give a story as to what led me to this. But yes, you guys, like this is pretty much what it came to. I really like it. Since I've cut my hair, I've been rocking the whole platinum blonde, and I really like it on me. And it's a big thing, especially when you're a darker tone like me. I do feel like especially with a lot of us, because we're dark, and I think sometimes people get this misconception because they see that all of us is dark. People forget that even as you're dark, of a darker skin complexion, I mean, everybody has a different undertone. So someone can have a cool undertone, a warm undertone, and neutral. So a lot of times, just because your hair is blonde, it just depends on the undertone under your skin. So that person might have a golden undertone. They could do more of like the warm honey blonde and stuff, compared to like me. I have a neutral undertone, so I'm in between. So I mean, this kind of works, and it's almost like my skin tone plus this. It kind of just, I don't know how to put it, but tomorrow tonight I'm just showing how this look, but tomorrow I'm gonna get myself dolled up and everything like that, heading to church, and just really put the whole look together. But of course tonight I am gonna set my hair. Now I do use this number 6 Olaplex, the Bond smoother. When I was in cosmetology school, I mean, one of my professors, she recommended me to get the number 6, number 3, number 0. And I can testify to the things. It do the job. It does the job. It helps keep the hair strong. It strengthens the hair follicles back again. But even when I'm blonde, I always put that extra care, especially when my hair is blonde. Even if I wasn't blonde, I just put the extra care anyway. It doesn't really matter. Because I mean, come on, it's your hair. You want it to thrive and grow, right? So yeah. But because I kind of keep it short and I always get it, I go to my barber and he always pretty much cut it for me and line me up, you know, just kind of keep me nice and fresh. Yeah, like every time when I do rebleach my hair, I use the number 6 after, and then of course I use my wonderful Design Essentials composition to set my hair, kind of put some little wave actions up in there and stuff, give it like an old Hollywood glam look, I guess. And then yeah, and then of course I get my wraps that I bought and then set it tonight, and then wake up the next day and then pretty much show y'all the next look. So this is pretty much what my hair looks like, you guys. This is the almost final results. I'm satisfied with it. I'm not even complaining. So, but we're gonna see what tomorrow looks like. So I thank you guys. Y'all have a wonderful night, and I will see y'all tomorrow. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Yeah, it did what it did. I love it. I'm still gonna go to my barber to kind of go down one level because I think I've grown over like an inch. But pretty much, you guys, this is what the whole look. See how my skin is just glowing. I hope you guys do love it. I will be coming back more, and I'll probably be showing some like makeup looks, especially like dark skin with the blonde hair. I will be doing some makeup looks like that and just talking about other stuff. So, you know, this is the start of something new. But yes, you guys, this is the final look. Let me get on up out of here because I'm supposed to be heading to church. So I see y'all another time.